What do you reckon?
What?
How much Sikaflex you reckon we've spent over the last 3 months, 4 months?
30 or 40 tubes.
Yeah. Sikaflex and liquid nails. How's that going?
I'm nearly done already. It's taken me 2 seconds.
Nearly done already.
What are you complaining about?
Complaining about? You still gotta clean that and put it on the roof too. That's you, alright?
Very professionally.
Very professionally, so we're just reusing what we can and fix it up and put it back on. Smile, you're on camera. Before.
Doesn't help that it's curved. I can't really hold it. It's kind of hard to tell how thick to do it.
That's what I hate. No, hang on. No.
Put that on, it'll squat.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Getting the joy of it. A bit cold.
Look.
I hate Sikaflex, and it's just the worst thing.
Yes.
But
agreed.
yeah, what do you reckon, Celeste?
It's done, and we will not be doing J rails ever again.
No.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see it.
Disgusting.
Hate it.